Today we're going to be taking a look at NVIDIA RTX Voice, a new plugin that leverages NVIDIA RTX GPUs and their AI capabilities to remove distracting background noise from your broadcasts, voice chats, and remote video conferencing meetings. This allows users to go live or join a meeting without worrying about unwanted sounds. RTX Voice uses the tensor cores in RTX GPUs to filter out noises, like loud keyboard typing or other ambient sounds, in real time. The more tensor cores available, the better the background noise reduction will be. This means more powerful RTX GPUs provide superior noise suppression. To use RTX Voice, you simply install it from NVIDIA website and select it as your microphone input within programs. RTX Voice will then filter unwanted background noises from your microphone audio before it reaches that program. RTX Voice supports any application that uses a microphone input, like Discord, Zoom, Skype, OBS, and more. This allows for seamless integration into your existing workflow. RTX Voice effectively suppresses distracting background noise, making your voice clearer on recordings and calls, especially when using a headset microphone prone to picking up fan noise. This helps ensure your audio is easy for others to understand, even in noisy environments. In short, if you're tired of background noises distracting from your recordings or voice chats, NVIDIA RTX Voice is a must-have, easy-to-use tool that leverages the power of RTX GPUs to seriously improve your audio clarity. So that wraps up our review of NVIDIA RTX Voice. Let me know if you have any other questions. And please subscribe and like this video for more tech reviews and tutorials.